Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So friends, many of the students were waiting for their onboarding in Cognizant. So finally the wait is over and Cognizant is onboarding to all the candidates in a phased manner. Many of the candidates have already onboarded and the rest of the candidates will be onboarded in the month of March and April. And for some candidates who haven't received any onboarding mail till now, just wait for a few days, you will be also receiving the onboarding mail in the month of May to July. So friends, it is a very good news that Cognizant is onboarding to each and every candidate for their full-time employment. So in this video, I will be clarifying all your doubts related to documents required during physical onboarding, queries related to onboarding. So all the candidates who will be onboarding in Cognizant during their physical mode as a full-time employment must watch this video. So all the candidates who will be onboarding in Cognizant must receive this mail from Cognizant that dear candidate, welcome to Cognizant. So this is a mail of Kolkata location where the date of joining is on 21st March and full address is being given where the Cognizant office is located. So you have to report on 5th floor in the cafeteria in Tower C1 building. So talking about the documents which you will be carrying it. First of all, you should be having an onboarding pass hard copy so that while entering into the premises, you have to show the onboarding pass to the security team so that you can be entered in the building. And during your day 1, you have to carry 2 to 3 passport size photographs in a hard copy format and any government ID proof, Aadhaar, PAN, passport or voter ID card in a physical format. Please don't carry photocopy of any government ID proof, carry your original ID proof. And you should also carry an offer letter consisting of your signature and date of joining in each and every page in a PDF format where the maximum size of the PDF will be 5 MB. And this PDF you have to mail to the onboarding team which you will be guided during your day 1 session. And talking about your dress code, then you have to be in a formal irrespective of your gender. Either you are male or female, you should be in a proper formal uniform and you must carry your mask. And talking about the water bottle, coffee mug and food, then it's basically your personal choice. You can carry or else you cannot. Now talking about the questions which are asked during your onboarding session. So first of all, you should remember your candidate ID and employee ID because this will be asked during your onboarding time. So you must remember your candidate ID and employee ID along with your full name with a government ID proof. So they will be also asking that do you have any active backlog or all the backlogs which you are having have been cleared or not. They will also ask about your degree. If you have got the degree, then you must carry a soft copy of the degree, and if you haven't got your degree, then you must carry the provisional certificate in a soft copy format so that you can show the provisional certificate if they want. Have you done internship at Cognizant? If yes, then what was your domain? Are you currently working in any other organization or are you having any offer letter of different company? If you are having any other offer letter of different company or if you are currently working other organization, then you can tell them what is your current location and have you signed your offer letter mentioning your signature. So friends, you must take out the hard copy of the offer letter and you must sign mentioning your name and date of joining at last of each page and then make a PDF whose file size should be maximum 5 MB. And remember one thing, while making the PDF, there should not be any watermark of your phone cameras. So it is advisable to scan through Adobe Scan app so that there could be no watermark so that all the documents should be cleared and the file size should be less than 5 MB. So friends, talking about the day 1 experience and the roadmap. So first of all, you have to be present in the campus within 8 AM and your onboarding session will start around 9 to 9:30. After the onboarding of all the candidates, you will be having an induction program. After that, you will be having a lunch time where the day 1 lunch will be provided by the Cognizant side. I could say this because one of my friend who was onboarded in Hyderabad, they have received their lunch in day 1 from the Cognizant side. So you can expect day 1 lunch from Cognizant. After the lunch will be over, you will be having few meetings and around 6 to 6:30, you will be asked to leave. And before leaving the office, you will be also handed with your ID cards. And guys, if you have done your internship in Cognizant, then the whole process will be same in a full-time employment also. The difference will be your internship was on virtual mode, but your full-time employment will be in physical mode. And you will be also given all the access related to CTS assets and Outlook mail so that the manager could contact you. So all the access during your internship period which was given will be again given to you on your day 1 onboarding. And friends, one thing I want to tell you that many of the students are being worried about their manager, POC and projects and about their location, that will their location will change or not, because many of the students haven't got their preferred location. All the things will depend upon your POC and manager about your project and your location, and when you will get the projects, all will be depending upon your manager, whether your work will be in a hybrid mode or 100% office mode or in a work from home mode. It will depend upon POC and manager. So friends, I would like to tell you that please don't panic. All your queries will be resolved. First you join the company and spend 1 to 2 months. Then only all the things will be cleared and clarified among you. So friends, if you are having any doubts related to Cognizant onboarding or your onboarding pass, then must comment down below. And friends, those who will be joining on 21st March, the onboarding pass has been generated and you must reach the venue by 8 AM so that there would be no delay. And friends, a small update that our channel name has been updated to Job Simplify from Tech Jobs. So in this channel, I regularly post off-campus jobs and IT related solutions. So you must subscribe to this channel. Thank you.